During these difficult times, the Children's Services Council is working day and night to make sure that the parents and children of Broward County are familiar with the resources that are available to them. Every decision that we make is about finding the best way to support the children of Broward County and their families. And so from the start of this crisis, we have been looking for ways to make sure that the nonprofits that serve those children are equipped to do so. So first, we reassured them that we wanted their staff to stay on board and that to know that they would be paid so that they would have peace of mind and be able to properly serve the children. You don't want panicked people reaching out to others that they're trying to reassure. And I am so excited to say that our nonprofit community in Broward County is amazing. And they are doing their best every day to use every tool at their disposal from the beginning of the crisis. We challenge them to look for ways that they could connect with the families that they serve and do it safely. And they have really stepped up to the plate. Even the small niche organizations that you might have thought would be challenged with technology are finding ways to do that.
It's more important than ever for organizations like Forever Family to have the support of the Children's Services Council of Broward County, especially when things are so upside down in our world at the moment. We want to continue to get the word out. We want to continue to share the needs of our children and to help families. And that applies not just for Forever Family, but for the multitudes of nonprofits in our county, in Broward County.
I want to give a shout out to Broward County Schools for their distribution of technology to the students so that even where the clients who we would be looking to serve might not have had the technology before, now we can capitalize on that school provided technology to ensure their mental health as well. One of the most important areas, of course, is nutrition, making sure that our children have the food that they need. And so we've had to step up in a lot of creative ways to make sure that food is available. And Commissioner Nikki Fried has been terrific in making sure that those food resources are available. And a big shout out to Feeding South Florida, the South Florida Hunger Coalition, Flippany, the United Way, to Meals on Wheels, the Mobile School Pantry, Harvest Drive, and the school district. There are more partners than I can mention, are banding together and creating a GIS map to find a food distribution site near you.
On our website, cscbroward.org, we have collected a slew of information, of resources for families that can help address the educational need and other activities that can be fun for the whole family. Educational resources, everything that the school board is putting out. And we have also put a list of volunteer opportunities for those who want to help, because many people do want to help in this time of need. They want to do it safely. So we have collected from agencies and organizations that are looking for support information as to how people can go about volunteering and supporting them during this time of need.
As a mom of a teenager, I know how difficult this time can be. There's a lot of togetherness, and that can be a challenge. It can also be a blessing. I hope for all of you out there, all of you parents, please try to focus on the blessings, even as we're stressed. The blessing that we have each other to get frustrated with, that we can all take advantage of some very simple things to maintain our equilibrium during this time. Remember to breathe. I saw an interesting quote today about, do you see the glass as half full or half empty? We've all heard that one before, but the response was, I'm grateful I have a glass. Yeah. If you are fortunate enough to have a healthy family at this time, please appreciate that. We'll get through this together, and I wish you good health and safety during this time.